Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And you might remember, but in my last video I bought some of these. Yeah, little onion sets. Now it's springtime, so it's about time to get these in the ground. Well, I'm going to do it a bit different this year, because every year I put these little guys in the ground about halfway up like that, and the next day you come out, birds have come and pulled them all out. So, and then you have to, obviously you have to put them all back in again, and you have this little battle going on for a few days until they get some roots going down to hold them in. But what I'm going to do this year, I'm going to try and trick the birds. Not really trick the birds, but I'm going to start them off in a little tray like this. My idea is I put them in these little trays, little things, fill this up with soil. And by the way, I'm just using a general multi-purpose compost, and it will give them a little head start. They'll grow some roots. Then these are not very big, as you can see, so the onions will grow some roots. I'll pop them in the garden, and hopefully the birds won't be able to pull them out. So anyway, that's my project for today. So I'll just fill up the one. I'll show you what I'm going to do. By the way, while I'm doing this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a share. And I'm getting quite a few subscribers now. I'm really pleased, and you know, it helps my channel if people enjoy what I'm doing. And yeah, so there you go. Anyway, that's it. Just like that. Then we can take our little onions. There's the root side. As you know, that would be the growing point there. So we'll just put those in, nestle them in, just so not completely covered, about halfway in I suppose, perhaps might be a little bit more. Just push them in. It's quite easy really. There we go, give that a little tap, and of course a little drink, help them on their way. And that's a new idea to me. Don't see why it won't work. Anyway, I'll be in touch, and I'll show you how I get on. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Might give you an idea, all you lovely gardeners out there. And sun's coming out, it's quite warm in my greenhouse. See you again next time, and bye for now.